Tom had some savings. On the first day of the Chinese New Year, Tom spent 1/5 of his savings and collected 36. So this entire chunk refers to his savings, and he spent 1/5 of it. So right now, I'm just gonna draw on top of this 1/5 portion and take it as is spent. And since he collected 36, I'm going to draw a little small box here to show $36 that he had collected, and put a positive to show that money coming in. On the second day of Chinese New Year, he spent half of his savings. Now, if we take a look at the remaining money that he had, is 4/5, or rather 4 units. So if he says that if he spent half of his savings, that means he has spent 2 units of this on the second day. And he also spent half of his savings that he had saved the previous day, so which is 36. And from this 36, I'm going to cut it into 2. He spent half of it, negative. Alright, and he collected $12. So on the second day, he collected $12, and that's a positive. Now it may seem a little bit confusing here. Okay, so now I'm just going to cross out these parts that refers to spent, and those that are not crossed means what he had left. And notice that the model that I've drawn doesn't have to be exact size. So my 36 may be of the same size as my $12, but it's important to write the value at the bottom. Okay, so now back to the question. He found out that he had $300 in his savings then, at this point in time. Let's take a look. He has 1 unit and 2 units here. And how much money are there in this portion? It is also inclusive in that $300. So my first step, I need to find out this portion, the half of 36 that's left. So half of 36, half times 36. And this question, you can use calculator. So I will get $18, which means he has spent $18 on the second day, and he saved $18 as well. And this part is $12, and this is 18. So that $300 here refers to 2 units plus 18 plus 12. Now my next step, I have to find out that 2 units by taking away $18 and $12 from the $300. So 300 subtract 18 subtract 12 is equals to $270. Okay, so right now I have my 2 units, and from here on it is pretty easy to get the final answer. How much money did Tom have at first? At first he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gray units here that we have drawn. So we already know that 2 units is equals to $270. The key to the question is to find 1 unit. So 270 divided by 2, I get $135. And the final step is to find 5 units. 135 multiplied by 5, and my final answer is 675. And that's it.